5. The Netherlands.
The Netherlands, known for its open policies and high quality of life, is also dealing with rising numbers of illegal immigrants. The Netherlands faces significant illegal immigration, especially in urban areas like Amsterdam and Rotterdam. The country's liberal policies and economic opportunities make it a prime destination.
In 2024, the Netherlands has around 75,000 illegal immigrants.
The Dutch government is tightening border checks and improving migrant processing, aiming to better manage the situation. With its attractive lifestyle and open borders, the Netherlands is working hard to find effective solutions to the challenges posed by illegal immigration.
4. Belgium.
Belgium, located at the heart of Europe, has long been a key transit country for illegal immigration. Belgium faces high levels of illegal immigration, particularly in cities like Brussels and Antwerp. Many migrants enter Belgium from neighboring countries before moving on to other parts of Europe. In 2024, Belgium reported approximately 80,000 illegal immigrants. The government's focus is on improving border security while addressing the needs of those already inside the country.
Belgium's central location makes it a crossroads for illegal immigration, requiring enhanced cooperation with its European neighbors. 3. Sweden.
Sweden's generous welfare system and high quality of life have made it a magnet for illegal immigrants seeking better opportunities. Sweden continues to see significant numbers of illegal immigrants, particularly from the Middle East and Africa.
The country's policies, while generous, are under strain due to the rising influx.
In 2024, Sweden reported approximately 85,000 illegal immigrants. The government is working on stricter border controls and revising its immigration policies to better manage the situation. Sweden's approach to immigration is shifting as it grapples with the demands of managing high numbers of illegal immigrants.
2. Austria.
Austria, located in Central Europe, has become a major hub for illegal immigration due to its geographical position and robust economy. Austria faces increasing pressure from illegal immigrants, especially in its border regions. Many migrants enter Austria via neighboring countries, seeking better living conditions.
In 2024, Austria reported around 90,000 illegal immigrants. The government is enhancing its border controls and working on integrating migrants more effectively into society.
Austria's central location and strong economy make it a key destination for illegal immigrants, putting its immigration policies to the test.
1. Germany. Germany remains the top European destination for illegal immigrants due to its powerful economy and extensive social benefits.
Germany has consistently reported high levels of illegal immigration, particularly from conflict zones in the Middle East and Africa. Its extensive welfare system and job opportunities attract many seeking a better life. In 2024, Germany reported around 100,000 illegal immigrants. The government is focused on improving border security, processing asylum applications faster, and integrating migrants more efficiently. Germany's leadership in Europe's economic landscape comes with the challenge of managing high numbers of illegal immigrants, balancing humanitarian needs with security concerns. Illegal immigration remains a critical issue for Europe, with these countries at the forefront of the challenge. As they work to address the impact and find sustainable solutions, understanding the scale of this issue is crucial.
What are your thoughts on these challenges?
Share your views in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of global issues.